Howdy folks, Russell here, back again with a little video about a project which I finished just a couple of days ago. Wanted to feature it and let y'all know. Now, any of y'all that's been watching my videos will be familiar with my post-apocalyptic outfit and the various weapons and things that I've made for that. You know, I do a lot of saw blades, a lot of sharp, pointy metal things that somebody might put together, and that's the aesthetic that I like to have. So, this is similar but different. So what this is one of the Nope sticks. That's the saw blade on a stick, basic thing that I've done. But this one, there's a young man, a friend of the family, who's in the military, and these young men are able to outfit themselves with a certain degree of freedom, add to their kit, a certain knife, a certain weapon that they like, a certain type of setup. And so the customization is really kind of up to them. So I thought, well, hey, I'm going to make something for this young man to add to his kit. So I made a Nope stick. Here it comes. Now this one is the smallest one that I have built so far. Let's see if I can get a little perspective. Okay, a little one-handed in the style of a one-handed battle axe or a mace, set up for one hand. All steel construction. Got the 550 cord handle, olive drab with a lanyard. Painted the saw blade in there in an olive color. Painted up the bolts as well to not stand out, and the handle, of course, is black. So I figure this hopefully will fall within the color regulations. If not, I may have to do a little alteration on it at some point. But I'm hoping that this falls within the color regulations that soldier could have for his kit, and that he will find him a nice little sheath for it and add it into his kit that he's going to have for himself. I talked to him about it a while back. He sounded like he was interested, so hopefully this will meet the requirements. I'm going to send this to him pretty soon, and I think that's pretty good. Personal protective device. Got the 8.5-inch saw blade, and I sharpened these edges right here, which normally would be pretty blunt. Those are now sharper, down like a knife. Not quite razor sharp, but sharp enough to make a difference. And there we are. So there's the new Nope stick, military version, and I hope that y'all like that. I hope the young man likes it as well. Everybody have a pleasant day, and peace.